A man stands on uneven ground, gripping a wand in both hands as he defends himself against 6 rising wands below. His face is tense, his posture braced, his footing precarious. The 7 of Wands is courage under pressure, the effort required to maintain one's position once success has been achieved. The defender is the central symbol. He stands alone, elevated yet vulnerable, representing the individual who must now hold their ground. His expression shows strain but not fear. His stance is active, legs apart, shoulders engaged. He is not attacking but protecting. This is conviction made physical, fire transformed into determined resistance. Having climbed to higher ground, he must now prove he belongs there. The raised wand he wields is the first supporting symbol. Unlike the celebratory wands of the 6, this one is angled downward towards unseen challenges. It represents belief in action, a principle defended, a project upheld, a boundary affirmed. The wand embodies moral strength as much as physical effort, resolve sharpened by trial. The second supporting symbol is the 6 wands thrusting upward from below. They signify opposition, competition, or internal conflict, forces that inevitably arise when one takes a stand. They can represent critics, rivals, responsibilities, or doubts. Their upward motion reflects challenge that pushes the protagonist to refine his purpose. Struggle here is clarifying. It burns away hesitation and reveals what truly matters. The third symbol is the uneven rocky ground beneath his feet. It represents the instability of success. Once a goal is reached, maintaining it demands constant adjustment. The hill also evokes the moral high ground, earned through effort rather than privilege. His precarious footing shows that conviction requires balancing strength with adaptability. The fourth symbol is his clothing: green tunic, orange leggings, brown boots. Green signifies perseverance and growth, orange expresses courage and creative fire, brown grounds him in practicality. Together, these colors show fire maturing into resilience, passion strengthened by experience. The fifth symbol is the clear sky behind him, bright and unobstructed despite the conflict below. This open sky suggests spiritual neutrality and higher perspective. The struggle is real but not catastrophic. The universe is steady, offering clarity to those who persist. Above the tension, purpose remains undisturbed. Together, these symbols depict a potent moment of defense and self-definition. The man stands for conviction, his wand for determination, the challengers for necessary tests, the ground for difficult advantage, the sky for perspective. This is fire in its courageous form, the will to uphold what one has earned. In readings, the 7 of Wands indicates challenge, competition, or the need to assert boundaries. It asks for persistence, confidence, and integrity. It reassures that the higher ground is yours, but it must be maintained with effort. Its caution is rigidity. Hold your position, but do not become inflexible. The 7 of Wands teaches that pressure reveals strength. Conviction becomes character when we refuse to yield what matters.